How are you, Rashmi?
I'm good. Please minus that on my head. I'm sitting on my terrace. थोड़ा सा ये हो जाता है problem.
No, no, it's okay. It's okay. It's perfectly fine. I think that is absolutely all right.
You
So,
looking so fresh and glowing during this quarantine. I want to know how.
I, I think it's very important to have a routine. So that's what I'm trying to do. So I think the best thing that's making me happy is that so I tend to just water my plants on a daily basis, and we have lots of plants. And
Oh, lovely.
so yeah, and then I wash the terraces, and so that just it's a nice exercise as well. So I think that is keeping me going. Yeah.
Yeah, but if we doing the same routine, तभी थोड़ा बोर नहीं हो जाता.
But the idea is that you have to take it each day as it comes. I think because it's important not to get bored because people in Europe,
I,
especially Italy, Spain, France, and US, they got bored, and we are seeing what happened. So it's important that we should not get bored. So what have you been doing?
sorry.
What have you been doing?
I'm making
What?
coffee. I thought let's do something with you, which will be more memorable. So
All right.
everyone
So
is this coffee, Dalangana coffee something. So I
right.
said, let me try it today.
Okay. So I'm already receiving a lot of questions from your fans and comments. So a lot of people they're asking about the RD show. What is the idea about behind RD show?
So the idea behind RD show is like we look up to a lot of people and we have our ideals in life and we also have a lot of fantasies and dreams, कि हमें इन जैसा बनना है, I want to do this, and during this time everybody is on the same platform. No one is कोई बड़ा नहीं है, कोई छोटा नहीं है. And then I thought that this is the real world war that everyone is facing the same problem. And there
Absolutely.
is no solution to it. If you don't take right precaution, don't take right cure, how do you do it? And honestly speaking, lockdown is something not really easy. It after a certain point of time, it starts hitting your thought process will change. You tend to become somebody you're not. You're not, and doing the same pattern every day and staying inside the house and you have a lot of multiple thoughts that I want to do this, I have this lined up, and एक दिन suddenly पता चलता है कि lockdown होने वाला है and you are not mentally prepared, and lot of people are facing lot of financial issues also. Lot of people are going in depression, and
Right.
lot of people have this mindset that now what to do, because after once we open in June, things are not going to be okay in June also. It will take some more time to become absolutely fine because it's a virus. You have no idea kaun sa kab kahan kis tarah se. So I'm just trying to lighten up that mood, lighten up their mindset, and I'm trying to give them hope, and I'm trying to tell them that these are the options available. You all can do it. And I myself get see, imagine I'm being locked for 1.5 months, and now again I'm house arrest. So for me, it's
You
like an
you have the
actually history
experience.
creates something.
You have the experience.
Yeah, I have the experience.
Right.
And yes, it is somewhere I know that ke kaisa lagta hai when you're not habitual sitting at home, because as soon as I came out, I started working and my shoot and my normal life became absolutely normal. I was back to my routine. And
Right.
suddenly I get to know कि अच्छा वापस घर में कौन हो रहा है. So I was like, what is this happening? We actually created history. This Big Boss has created a big history.
Yeah. Okay. All right. So now you are an extremely popular contestant on this year's Big Boss, and so many people felt that maybe you should have been the winner as well. And there was this controversy around the finale and the final result. How do you look at it?
See, I have multiple questions about myself and about a lot of other thing related to the house. I'm being very honest because I was the only contestant who had most difficult journey inside the house. And staying inside the house is also not very easy. It was very interesting for me to understand the situation, and you hardly have some time. And the worldwide, the show is going worldwide. So people are watching you worldwide, and then your your personal life, your professional life, you are as a person. sometimes you're trapped in the situation where you become numb. You don't know what to do. You have no choices available. You can't. Everything is very limited. And I would just say that that was actually very very difficult to deal with certain kind of situation in life. Because जब आप बाहर होते हो, you have your friend's house, your family, your bedroom, your things. I didn't have anything like that. I didn't have my people around me because I know that I was just, if I cry, people used to say that कि ऐ में ही रो रही है. If I used to laugh, like she's being sarcastic. So few people like Artin was there. Aarti could relate to me a certain time, and Devulina, when she came, I was feeling little more stronger, and I used to feel low, down all the time. Okay, now what is next in life? What am I going to do? What is there after this? But I didn't know that the entire world was waiting for me to welcome in such a beautiful way, and I think that was way bigger than anything in life I have achieved till now.
All right. Okay. So, how do you look at this massive interest in Big Boss? You know,
Sorry?
massive interest in Big Boss. Thousands and thousands of retweets on Twitter, for example, and people are discussing and talking about anything and everything, and they're not getting tired of it. It's going on and on and on, and people are not getting tired. So, why do you think that there is this massive interest around Big Boss?
See, Big Boss teaches you also a lot in a way, because there are a lot of people who are not open to talk about their personal thing, and they are going through some problem in life, but they are not comfortable to talk about, or maybe they have some kind of responsibilities in life. So when they see Big Boss, as a viewer, when I used to watch it, I used to be like, acha ye aisa ho gaya. Oh, no, it's not right. But when you're inside the house, that time you understand the difference. When you're watching as a viewer, when you are as a contestant, now I realize that why people like this show so much, because sometimes they can relate, but they don't have the courage to accept it. But then nowadays the youth is very different. They say it very openly. They like to do it, and they like to have more clarity, and that is the reason people are more connected to Big Boss. So anything happens inside the house, they feel that it is wrong, and they'll put it on social media with their thought, whatever thought they have, and I find it's awesome. It's awesome.
Right. Okay. Let me take a few questions. There are too many questions which are oh my god. Rima Saha 1006. I followed you since Pari Woman.
Oh wow, that's my
Badori, Badoria, someone is saying looking beautiful. A lot of people are saying hello. Okay. My god.
Oh, Rohan, I gave you reply. I don't know why you sad.
Okay. Chandramukhi, I love you, Rashmi Desai.
Thank you so much. There are a lot of people who don't like me, and they come and they're also talking about it. But I think that's fine now. I know because of the Big Boss.
Okay. Labani Chaudhary is saying that the show was very unfair to you and Asim.
Sorry?
The show was unfair to you and Asim.
Every other contestant have their own journey. I don't know, but a lot of people have asked, a lot of journalists have asked me this question, and I have only said that the social media has the answer for it. I was inside the house, I was locked inside, so I don't know what will happen outside. So yeah, but now that I have a lot of time, I'm trying to connect with my audience. I'm trying to connect with my people who love me, people have the opinion for me, people who feel that I could have done this, I should have done this, and I should be doing this. So yeah, I am quite open about good thoughts and good point of views.
Everyone has been watching Big Boss for a really long time, for many years now. What is interesting is like many a times the contestants, they tend to deliberately get into controversies, and they're talked about maybe for all sorts of reasons, and they enjoy the attention that they get. But one thing that has been increasingly said about you is that you handle yourself in a very dignified manner. That is something which I personally feel that can be the best compliment for almost anyone, and that in that situation when you're supposed to be attention seeking and yet go that far. How important is that for you?
Yeah, when I came out, even from the media, there was a media around, and a lot of media were people whom I was I knew them since years, but I didn't know that I have earned so much of love and support.
Right.
A lot of time I knew that what is happening. See, sometimes your maturity also works. I never used to feel the way people used to come and argue with me. People used to come and fight with me. They used to fight with me, and then they used to say this thing also that aaj ka content ho gaya. It used to hurt me. That really, am I just this? Just to create a content, you all are arguing, fighting, and trying to dig out my things for no reason. You don't have value of emotions. And then that used to teach me one thing, that Rashmi, you are not this. You can't take benefits of the benefit of people. You can't, make sure that कि हाँ एक चीज मेरी बहुत clear थी, the way you treat me, I will treat you the same. But I will not do something which I can't be fake. I can't be. मैं मायरा को बोलती भी थी that Myra, I like you, but I don't like the way you talk to me. And I used to be very clear, because I used to see her as like, a kid. A kid. She has her very different thoughts. She has a different mindset. She's very ambitious. And I used to like that. She's just 22. She was the youngest contestant inside the house. And I used to feel good. But, sometimes the approach is different. So you really need to understand and the differentiate between the approach and about the person she has. Kuch hota tha, she used to come to me. But she had her point of view. So she used to say it clearly. So I used to like that.
Okay,
So,
Viraj.
I never used to encourage things that acha mere benefit ki hai, so I should do this. Acha, I used to be more helpful to people. When they used to be alone, they used to हड़काल देते थे, फिर भी मैं जाती थी कि नहीं ठीक है. I think this is the most important time.
Alright, विराज एम एस शर्मा, सिद्धार्थ का असली चेहरा लाऊंगी का क्या मतलब था?
क्यों, आपने पूरा सीजन देखा ही होगा ना, I'm sure. मैंने तो अभी देखा नहीं है और ना मैं फॉलो कर रही हूँ. बट इवेंचुअली सब ठीक हो गया, तो मैं ज्यादा इस सारी चीजों में बात नहीं कर रही. बट आई वॉज वेरी क्लियर विद सर्टन थिंग्स विच आई कांट. मैं उन चीजों को नहीं बोलती हूँ कई बार, क्योंकि हमारे पॉइंट ऑफ व्यूज ही नहीं मिलते हैं, तो मैं बहुत कम ही रखती थी बातें. बट लास्ट में सब जब ठीक हो गया, सो आई वुड लाइक टू कीप इट दैट वे.
All right, so now you're part of Nagin 4 right now. Now that is, I think, one big show. What is the latest in that? And now with all this lockdown, what is the latest in that?
Right now, everything is locked, so we don't have anything to do. So now I'm cooking, I'm taking classes online, and I am busy with my show and their creatives. And honestly speaking, I know that my 3-4 shows are coming on air here. So one fine day, I just happened to sit and watch all the shows. So I saw that I had the opportunity to play different roles. So I think I was feeling good that in television you hardly get opportunities to play different roles. I'm sorry for that.
Okay. Now you've been part of several reality shows, be it Khatron Ke Khiladi and Jhalak Dikhla Ja. So what comes across is that that you're someone who likes to be competitive. You like to be on top. Like you perform really well in all the reality shows that you've been part of. How important is it for you to compete, yet be dignified, and yet try and be a winner? How important is this entire amalgamation for you?
I see my growth in everything. How much it is giving me at the end. See, winning is definitely important. I would tell everyone that aise kaise back out karna and all. But I feel like Khatron Ke Khiladi, when you go and play, when you sign a contract, there is a clause written in it that anything happens to you, we are not responsible. You are on your responsibilities.
Right.
So that is a very big thing as an actor when you're writing such thing. And फिर जाके पहले ही दिन में आपको मगरमच्छों के साथ छोड़ दिया जाता है, which is definitely not a normal task. And when I did the Big Boss, I really wanted to become a winner, that I really wanted to have the trophy. But then I realized this show is not only about the winning, who's winning. The show is about who really played well. The season, they don't remember the season who was the winner. They remember the season who played really well. Because of that, I think that is a big achievement. And I still remember I used to keep talking about Hina when she was in her 11th season. I used to talk about Karishma. She was in 8th season. And I used to like Gautam also. They both were really good. And then I used to like Puneet from some other cast. Then Sameer sir, the Shweta ma'am. So I have seen that every show has their different fan following and the kind of love audience have. So it all depends how you what project are you doing, and winning is important, or personal growth is more important. Like I have done a lot of reality shows, dance reality show. Yes, in that thing, when I did Jhalak, I used to regret that I was not the winner. But my minus point was like I didn't waited. I just became uh, extra. I got very excited because it was a dance reality show. I went as a wild card, and wild card. Then I got to know that people who are from the beginning coming and doing so much mehnat, you are not going to win. People also see the journey. So then I realized that it was the one thing I used to feel that why I couldn't win the dance reality show.
All right. So you've done several endorsements with Salman Khan. Certain commercials you've done. You've been part of Dabang as well, along with him and Sonakshi as well. And now he was the host of Big Boss as well. So how's your experience with Salman Khan?
Salman sir has been like an angel to me. I'm being very honest. बहुत बार ऐसा भी हुआ that he doesn't even know that okay, I was facing a lot of issues in 2016, and when I started doing, then I thought that I have to come back and I want to start working. So during that time, some difficult situation was there. Salman sir helped me there, and during the show, I only had Salman sir's support. So yeah, he's been always there, and he's been like a guardian angel to me. I did one ad films also with him. तो मैंने जैसे उनके बारे में सिर्फ सुना था that वो दिल के बहुत बड़े हैं. He's actually truly a king.
Right.
You just tell him that okay, this is what is happening, and he'll start treating things as if like you're part of him, you're part of his body somewhere, and he's always very protective towards me. So yeah, I'm feeling blessed actually. I feel blessed that I have him.
All right, Anshu underscore sane 08. Don't pay attention to losers, Rashmi. You were real. Naya underscore NA4444. You are very talented. Okay. Okay. Nawa.Faria Rash RD show is superb. Rashmi real. You rocked in BB also.
Thank you.
Okay. Certain questions they tend to be personal, and I find it funny. Okay.
Go ahead.
Okay. So I think there are tons of other people as well which are coming in. Okay. How is your and Sana bond now? So someone is saying that how is your and Sana's bond now? Home decor 730.
Oh, the way she was inside, outside, it's very different. She's not contacted anybody. I got to know that, and I have no idea how is she and where is she, but I hope my best wishes are with her. So apparently she's not in touch. She was just, I think, till the Big Boss house.
Okay, and so you also have this very fine fan following amongst international countries as well from all over the world. So how you develop this fan following abroad? What do you think is the reason for that?
It was not only because of Big Boss, it was through my show, and then through Big Boss they got to know about me, and then the way they got detected. It is now it's now like a relationship. I still remember 3-4 days back, I got a message from one of my fans, 2-3 of my fans, saying that your friends Shivan and Ankita's building is seal. So you really need to know that they're fine or no, and tell us also they're fine or no. So then I thought that what has happened. Ankita and me live in the same area, and I didn't know that okay, there's some corona patient they must have found out in her society. So the entire society is sealed. Nobody can come out. Nobody can go inside. So then I got to know through all my fans who's sitting in the Norway and one is sitting in the Canada, and they told me about this. So this is amazing. This is what I've earned from Big Boss.
All right. So, Rashmi, what else can we look forward from you in the near future? The show is there. Nagin 4 is there. What else?
Very interesting thing. I was in talking terms with somebody for the web show. But now that everything is locked down, see, during this time, no one is working, no one is having that surety also. What are they going to do after June? Or is it till June, or maybe they might extend? Because I think, according to my knowledge, मुझे नहीं लगता है will be fine in June. By the time it settle down, I think it will be June, July, August तक तो जाएगा ही जाएगा. So now let's wait what happens next. But in this difficult time, please follow all the rules and don't go out of the house, because still people are not taking it seriously. They are taking their life very, very easily. So y'all are fine. We understand, but ऐसा नहीं है पूछ के नहीं आएगा. In my, I am little scared, so I'm telling everyone again and again, please take all the precautions.
In fact, the way Salman sir has said in his video that जो डर गया सो बच गया.
Yes, जो डर गया सो बच गया. You know, कभी कभी डरना is good for your health, and it's good. It's for your safety. So yeah, don't take it lightly. And wear your mask. A lot of people say that घुटन होती है. I'm like, घुटन होती है, but you have no idea what is going to happen. We are in the 4th stage. So now the government has also come up with a rule. No? Now whoever will not wear mask, they will take the right action against it. So I think that's much needed. Good thing. They have come up with this Arogya Setu karke app hai. So you get all the notification about your area, near your in your area or nearby you, anybody is having COVID-19, you'll get the notification on that app. So they should download and keep themselves updated about all these things.
All right. So Rashmi, wonderful talking to you. Thank you very much, and thank you for conducting yourself the way you do, and all the best wishes for everything. Thank you so much.
Thank you. I had fun.
Thank you.